Hello students, today we will solve this question. Figure 1.1 shows the distance time graph for a bus that goes to collect supporters from a football match and take them home from their villages. So as you can see here, they have given on the y-axis distance in kilometer, distance covered in kilometer y-axis, and on the x-axis they have given time taken in minutes. Okay, so we will do A part and the subpart A subpart first question. The bus drives from the depot without stopping along the straight line to the football ground. The distance from the you have to find the distance from the bus depot to the football ground. So they have asked the distance from the depot to the football ground. So as you can see here, this is the bus depot, and this is where the football ground is there. So this is football ground. So you can see on the y-axis here it is 6, showing 6. So answer is 6 kilometers for this. 6 kilometers. Okay. Now we will solve the second part of the A. So the time, here there was the time in hours. The time in hours to travel, hours. This you remember, hours to travel from the bus depot to the football ground. But here they have been in minutes. So that is the problem here. So you have to convert it into minutes, from minutes to hours. So that is the thing. So what you will do, you have to first find out here the football ground. The football ground is here, as you know well. The football ground is here, this area. So this is the football ground. So you have to find the time. So along this side you have to find where it is meeting on the x-axis. So that line you have to take it down like this. So here it is there. So if I take this down, so here it is meeting here this, so it is coming 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is coming 8, but it is, the answer is, so here as you can see it is but given in hours. So they have asked in here they have given in minutes, here they have given in minutes, and they have asked in hours. So you have to convert this into hours. So for converting this you have to divide by 60. So 8 divided by 60. So let's calculate here. So it will become around, on the calculator, 0.13 hours. So answer here is 0.13 hours. 0.13 hours. So now we will do the third subpart of A. So here the speed in kilometer per hour they have asked here. So speed in kilometer per hour of a bus on its journey to the football ground. So that is what they have asked. So as you can see here, they have given we have found for 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers it took 0.13 hours. So this we know very well. For 6 kilometers it took 0.13 hours. So for now we have to find out. So for 1 hour means per hour means 1 hour, how much it will take. So we will cross multiply this and we will find the answer. So I will solve here this area because space is not there. So 1 into 6 divided by 0.13, x equals to 0.13. So 6 divided by 0.13. So let's calculate on the calculator. So it is coming 46.15. 46.15 is the answer here. So the answer for this is coming as speed equals to, so 46.15 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour is the speed. So this also we have done. So now we will do the next part of the question. So as you can see in the next part, they have asked state how you can tell from the figure 1.1 that bus traveled at a constant speed to the football ground. So that is there. They have asked. This is very simple question. So what is there, what you can write, because it is a straight line graph or constant speed graph, or you can say same distance covered every minute. So that is there. So you can write anything. So but it is better to write same distance covered every minute. Every minute. A minute. Or straight line graph or constant line graph also is fine. Constant line graph or straight line graph. Yes, the straight line graph also you can write. Okay, so now see a question we will do. The bus returned to the bus depot by the same route. There was this question, by the same route, stopping a number of times to let the supporter get off near the home village. How many villages did the bus stop? So that is the question. So as you can see here, from here on the graph. So here as you can see, from here here football ground, it is starting. So this is the first village where it has reached here. So you can see this is the first village, and then it is moving with this speed of 5 kilometer. Then it decelerated. Then again it has reached this second village. Then again it moved for sometimes for around 3 around 4, around 3.6 or 3.7 here with a constant here you can see, and then afterwards it is decelerating here down. So here it has reached the third village. Okay, so as you can see here, 3 villages are there. So the answer for this is 3 villages. 3 villages bus stops were there. Okay, now we will do this question. What is the smallest distance from the village to the football ground? They have asked. So this was the football ground here, as you know well. This was the football ground in blue color. This. So here football ground is here. So the shortest distance, you can see, this is the very shortest distance that it has covered, because from football ground this much only distance, and this is far. From this 6 it is very far, you can see from here, but this is the distance which is near from the football ground. So this is that distance. So you have to find from 5 to 6. From 5 to 6 it is 1. So 1 kilometer is the answer for this. 1 kilometer distance is 1 kilometer. So that's it.